Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another tutorial video for solving a mastermorphix puzzle. In this tutorial, we will make use of the fact that a mastermorphix is just an adaptation of a standard Rubik's cube. Let's get started. Before we begin, we need to keep in mind that these are the four corner pieces of one layer. Now, even this piece that you might sometimes mistake as a centerpiece is in fact a corner piece. Now, this is a centerpiece which has two colors. In a Rubik's cube, the centerpiece has just one color, but in a mastermorphix, one centerpiece has two colors. And this is the edge piece here. Now, in a Rubik's cube, one edge piece has two colors, but over here, one edge piece has just one color. The first step to solving a Rubik's cube is making the cross for the first layer in accordance with the centerpieces of the adjacent layers. That is exactly what we will be doing to solve this puzzle here. We will be making a cross in accordance with the adjacent centerpieces. Once this cross is complete, we can proceed to the next step. The second step to solving a Rubik's cube is completing the first layer, which we do by placing the corner pieces in their correct positions. So that is just what we will be doing here too. We will be placing the corners so as to complete the first layer. Now once this first layer is complete, we can proceed to the next step. The next step to solving a Rubik's cube is completing the second layer. Now these are the four pieces that we need to configure in order to complete the second layer in a mastermorphix. In a Rubik's cube, to complete the second layer, we make a T and then we apply this algorithm. Like this. But we can't really make a T in a mastermorphix puzzle, but we can definitely adapt this algorithm to complete the second layer. For example, we want this green piece over here, so we'll do this and then we make a D clockwise, an L clockwise, a D anti-clockwise, an L anti-clockwise, a D anti-clockwise, an F anti-clockwise, another D clockwise and an F clockwise, and we have this piece here. Now we will repeat this same algorithm for the remaining three pieces till we complete the second layer. The next step to solving a Rubik's Cube is completing the bottom layer. There are two algorithms that help us in doing so. The first one, which helps us make a cross for the bottom layer, while the second helps us in configuring the corner pieces. In a mastermorphix, however, both of these algorithms are used to just complete the cross for the bottom layer. Also, the step is highly a hit and trial process. I am explaining a few situations that might pop up here, but the more practice that you have, the better you will be at solving it. For such a situation, we will start from here with the second algorithm. And we will land here in this situation where the center piece is reversed. So we'll place the center piece according to the color again, and then we will repeat the same algorithm. This situation we will do a U2 and we will use the second algorithm again. Now once we're here, we'll do another U2 and we'll repeat the second algorithm. After this, we will be done with the cross for the bottom layer. Now you must keep in mind that these were just a few situations that I dealt with, and there can be many more where you will have to use these algorithms to complete this step. The next step to solving a Rubik's Cube is configuring the corner pieces for the bottom layer. In a Rubik's Cube, the two corner pieces that we want to interchange, we keep them in front, and the corners that are already in place, we put them in the back, and then we apply this algorithm. In a mastermorphix though, the pieces that we want to interchange, we put those in the back and then we apply the same algorithm. Now here none of the corner pieces are in the right spot, so we'll start with any side. Let's say we want to interchange these two, so we'll put them in the back and apply this algorithm. And we'll repeat the same algorithm till all the corner pieces of the bottom layer are where they should be. Now we have all the corner pieces in their correct positions. The configurations are not right, but that is what the next step is for. To configure the corner pieces, we have this very easy algorithm. We will do an R anti-clockwise, a D anti-clockwise, an R clockwise and a D clockwise, and we will repeat the same algorithm till the corner piece is correctly configured. Now once this corner piece is configured correctly, we will bring the other corner piece that is not configured correctly in its place and continue with the algorithm. Now we can see that even though the corner pieces are configured correctly, the pieces on the other face are now disturbed. The truth, however, is that the other corner pieces are not configured right, but we can't really tell because it's a triangular piece of one color and looks the same from all directions. So we'll place the triangular corner piece with the disturbed face and repeat the algorithm. The face is still disturbed, so we'll bring the other triangular piece here too and keep applying the algorithm till the puzzle is solved. And that's it for this video, you guys. I hope it was helpful and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching.